There's no guarantees. You want a guarantee, go to Walmart and get a toaster. But we're going to work on some Kata Bunkai Heian Sandan. Let's do the first 3 moves. Heian Sandan. Ready? Go. Face each other. Right now. Yeah. Ready. Each. Knee. Up. She. All right. Just that. Just that move right there. I'm going to give you 3 possible applications. Now, this right here can be. So one thing is he can come, he can reach here, he can reach here. He goes in the reach, pow, goes in, pow, okay? Less likely, but I actually had somebody try to grab me like that, and I just did that. It was instinctive. Another possible application, this is getting a little more realistic. Somebody grabs here, just like the front part is a gedan barai uke, okay? You want to let this part of your arm find the elbow, and it wants to push down. Look what it does to his body. So he grabs me, and the bigger, stronger, tougher somebody does that, boom, and this hand comes up and says, pow! Okay? Grabs the other side so you can see, goes here, pow! That's a little more nuclear, okay? You guys do it to each other, take a turn. Other side. Okay? That's exactly what that kata teaches us to do. So we can block, we can just, there's another application for this, and that is the Muay Thai clinch. Somebody comes in here, it's unlikely that somebody's gonna grab you like that in Walmart, but who knows? So somebody does, he grabs me here like this, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna come out, and this time instead of doing a punch, I could drive his throat, I could punch him here, or I could put my thumb right in his nostril or his eyeball, boom. Okay, and then as soon as I feel something, I may even go to a little Heian Shodan issue. Okay, you guys play around with that. Practice makes permanent. Repetition is the mother of all learning. Sometimes when somebody shows you something, you say, "Well, that wouldn't really work." Well, it might not work for you because you hadn't done it 1,000 times yet. So you got to play with it. You got to feel it. You got to feel it. And so, how many times have we worked on that? Many times. Many times, right? All right, go ahead. Y'all do it. Just play. Just go. Just grow. Attack somebody. Attack him. Get out of it. All right, so Muay Thai clinch. This is right here. Okay, do that. All right. Grab his collar. Do another thing. There you go. Other side. All right. We'll show you some more of the kata next time.